If you came to this video to learn how to do a twist out, please don't.
I love to get on, I love to get to one. When the drink be too strong, when the tree be way too strong. Get me to turn up, bro, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll.
And
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Your girl looks a hot mess. My hand's kind of shaking because I'm trying to hold my camera, but let me just set it down. As you guys can see, I look a hot mess, but that's like nothing's new with that. So I don't want you guys to keep getting appalled every time you look at me, because this is how I look 99% of the time. So today's video, as you guys see from the title, I'm gonna be doing or attempting to do a twist out for the first time ever in my life. I have never done a twist out, a 3-strand twist out, a flat twist out, a out twist. No, I mean none of that. Like, I have done literally none of that. So I asked you guys on my Instagram if I should do this video, and you guys said that I should. You guys said you want to look at it, y'all said y'all wanted it, so here I am to deliver. So I don't want to talk too much in this intro. My hair looks a very hot mess. It's been in this slick back for about a week now. I haven't washed it, going on 2 weeks, so we're just not going to talk about that, and we're going to get into my wash day, which I'm not going to film that because I just did a wash day video. You guys should go check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair, come back, and we're gonna get this thing popping, because this is not it for me. This is not it. So hopefully this video goes great. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. I'm back. All right guys, so we're gonna get right started with we're gonna get right into this tutorial. It's not a tutorial, this is the attempting video. This is not a tutorial. Do not come if you came to this video to learn how to do a twist out, please don't. So I have all of my I have these band-aids on because I got shots yesterday, y'all, when it hurts. So I'm gonna take these off because they kind of okay, we're good. We're good. So I did wash my hair in the shower. I co-washed with the Aussie Moist conditioner, the deep conditioner, and that was all I did. I'll put like an overlay on the screen of what I used. My hair is in a bun back here, but I'm gonna show you all the products I'm gonna be using for this video. That way y'all can, you know, go get some if you want it. So funny story, I remember how my last braid out tutorial video I told y'all this water bottle was not working, so I was gonna revert back to using my OG little dollar store one that was $149. But then I went to pick this one up and it works now, so we're gonna use this one today. For products, I'm gonna use my OG. This is the Cream of Nature coconut milk leave-in cream, leave-in repair cream. I use this like all the time. And then I'm gonna use the same line. This is the Moisture Curl hair milk. So we're gonna be using these two products today, which the nozzle doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to like open it and like take it out and do the extra. I hate nozzles like this, I really do. And then I'm gonna be using my Jamaican black castor oil to seal everything in, and then to go on top of it, I'm gonna use my clear Eco Solar gel because it's gonna kind of give me some definition. So yeah, and I have a towel to like wipe my hands, you know, it's gonna get a little messy. All right, so my hair, I already parted my hair in the shower. I did it in a I'm dripping, y'all, I'm dripping. I did it in a, oh my gosh, I'm really dripping down here. I did it in a middle part because that's like how I do all of my hairstyles for real. So ooh, looks kind of long for a second. Okay, this is my hair, y'all, freshly washed. It is looking a hot mess. I don't have a mirror. I'll be back. So this next clip that's like 11 minutes is blurry. I am sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So I don't really know where to start. Like, I mean, I did watch like a video like how to twist, like how I'm gonna do a 3-strand twist, because I just feel like the regular twists are just not for me. But I don't really know where to start. I guess I'll start like in the back because that's kind of where you would do anything else. But I think what I want to do is, I think on the top of my hair I want to try to do a flat twist. So I don't really know how big I want to do these sections, but I think I'm gonna split this in half, and then that'll probably be good enough, because I don't want them to be too small but like not too big at the same time, because I feel like they won't be as defined. So I'm gonna just do this, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna like ooh, I forget that it actually works how it's supposed to now. So yeah, I'm gonna just be misting it with my spray bottle. I'm gonna just like actually prep the hair before I twist it, how I would if I was doing like a braid out or whatever. That way, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So like I said, y'all, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I've always wanted to try a twist out and I just never did. I don't really know why. I just always want to try it, and every summer I try to like conquer a new like style. Last summer it was braid outs. This summer it's gonna be a twist out. We're gonna get this together. So I'm not gonna really be describing exactly what I'm doing because again, I don't know what I'm doing. Like I really have no idea what I'm doing, y'all, but y'all can just watch and see. I'm curious myself to see how this is gonna turn out because it always looks so good on other people's hair. Like if it could but I'm gonna take some of the leave-in cream and put that on my hair. I don't really put my product in a certain way. I just put it on there. Like people be rubbing it in and doing. I don't do all of that. Like I literally just put it in there and just do whatever. I'm gonna just put the rest of the products in. I'm gonna do the cream, then I'm gonna do the XOXO gel, and then I'll do the twist. Okay, so now comes the actual twist. Like on the back I'm not gonna do the flat twist, only on the top part. So I'm going to, from my understanding, to do a 3-strand twist you literally just, well, I'm gonna start it off as a braid. That way it's nice and tight and my roots are tight because I feel like the twist isn't tight enough. And then you literally, like, there's 3 sections, right? You literally just take the back section and wrap it on top of the other 2. Take the back section, wrap it on top of the other 2, and just continue to do that all the way down. That was my understanding from the video. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I could be doing it wrong, but that's the point of this video, to see how it turns out. It looks like I'm braiding, y'all, but I promise I'm not. I'm not braiding at all. I am twisting. I am not braiding. It looks like I'm braiding, but y'all can see, I'll zoom in, you can see how it's a twist. I kind of messed up when I started talking. And then I'm gonna coil it like I would do a braid or whatever. 1 twist down, 5,000 more to go. I'ma cry. It's so hard to say, but I gotta do what's best for me. I'm done, and this just took me, I don't even know what time I started. I don't even know what time it is. I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna look. I'm probably gonna end up stretching with the blow dryer also, because I feel like I'm gonna get a lot more shrinkage in this than I would if I did like flexi rods or if I did like a braid out or whatever. But I'll show you guys all that tomorrow. This is pretty much it. I did not do any flat twists. I said I was gonna do that. I didn't do any flat twists because it just looked a hot mess, so I kept it simple with, because that looks ugly. Let me stop. I kept it simple with just doing the 3-strand twist, and we're gonna see how this looks tomorrow. So like I said, it's 4:19, so I'll probably take these down tomorrow at 4:19, and we will I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Good morning. It is currently 10:22. I know I said in the video I was gonna wait until about I don't even know, maybe like 4 to take it down, but I blow dried it because I just can't wait. Like I need to know. They feel, I mean, they feel dry. I think they're gonna be fine. I feel like they're dry. And if I get to a point where I feel like it's not dry, I feel like they're dry, to be honest with you. So we're gonna take these down. And yeah, so I'm gonna tie or like section it off. That way I'm gonna start in the back, of course, because that's where we started at. And we're gonna start in the back. Down here I have on, or I'm gonna use some Jamaican black castor oil to take them down. We're gonna get started. I'm nervous, y'all. Like, I actually am really nervous to take this down, but I'm gonna coat it with some oil. I'm looking in the mirror right here. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna get started. So from my understanding, well, normally when I would take down braids, I would just start taking this down, but since it's a twist, I'm gonna unravel it the opposite way and kind of pull it up. Oh. Oh, hold up. Do y'all see this definition? Like, do y'all see how defined this is? It looks like a braid. It looks like I did a braid out. We're gonna keep going. I genuinely am like really shocked right now because I did not expect this to come out looking good, like, at all. So the fact that it actually looks pretty decent, especially because last night, like, I tied it up with my scarf after I let it sit for a little bit, and it had started to get like a little like matted down looking. I was like, oh, this is not gonna look right, but it actually looks good, y'all. So y'all can use this for a little tutorial because as you can see, we're looking good over here. I'm trying so hard to like take my time with taking these out. I don't, oh, this is, ooh, okay, hold on, that was bad. They I don't want to get any frizz with it, but this is amazing. Like, so I'm gonna finish taking this all down and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Hey guys, so do y'all see what I see? Because what I see right now is great. I mean, for this to be my first, I did my edges, y'all. For this to be my first attempt, like my first ever attempt at a twist out, this looks pretty darn good. Like, I have definition for days. I have, like, this is probably the most defined like style I've ever, besides flexi rod sets. I can get those really defined, but like my braid outs, y'all, I struggle to get them like super defined and have volume. And I got a few pieces that are kind of frizzy, but for the most part, like, it's all definition. So what I did off camera, because this wasn't a tutorial, so I wasn't like showing y'all step by step everything, but I went to go stretch my roots because I did not like how much shrinkage I got. So y'all see I got some length down here. I did my edges, which I did not lay them down properly. Like, I didn't put like a scarf on them, so they might lift a little bit, but I did my edges off camera as well, and I picked it out with my pick, and I'm very pleased. This is probably gonna conclude this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it because I am pleased. Like, honestly, I thought that I was gonna do this hairstyle and I was gonna take it down and it was gonna look like trash, but I do know that, like, for the next time I do this, I probably have to try to like do a flat twist on the top because my roots are really puffy. It doesn't show up as good on camera, like where you can see how puffy they are, but they are a little bit puffy, so I'll probably have to work on that. And then as far as how I take it down, like, this side is super defined, there's not a frizz inside, but over here it kind of got a little bit messy and I got a little bit of frizz over here because I didn't really know how to take it down properly. Like, I was like unraveling it the opposite way, but I still kind of messed up and got it snagged in some places. So those are the only two things I really feel like I need to like improve on. But like, for this to be my first time, I get a pat on the back. Like, this is good. Like, this is good. I hope you guys in this video. I love you guys so much, and your girl will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. My boyfriend is gonna kill me. I'm eating his candy that I bought for him, but you see, I am starving at the moment and I need something. Food really do taste better when it's not yours. You're not supposed to have it. Pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.